Please follow our stores. Thank you. Welcome to BANU channels. And next part, I will introduce you of our material associates of the materials of the soldering, soldering stations. And this is the soldering flux and the BGA paste. So if you have any questions, please let me know. And also you can check on the bottom catalog to get more information of it. Hello, welcome to BANU channels. Welcome to BANU channel. Welcome Jack. JAX. Welcome Jack. Welcome. Please follow our store. And hello, welcome FF. Welcome this friend. Welcome. And this is the BANU BGA paste. Yes, the BGA paste. And this is the liquid BGA paste, and all this is 63 SN and 737 PB. And also this is, it can raise stores in the environment is 0 to 10 degrees. So if you like this, you can click on the bottom catalog and you know the details of it. Welcome to BANU channels. Please follow our store. Thank you. And this is the lead-free soldering station. Lead-free BGA paste.